Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get updates on my latest videos. Today I am going to talk about some impressive benefits of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass might help prevent the growth of some bacteria and yeast. Lemongrass also contains substances that are thought to relieve pain and swelling, reduce fever, improve levels of sugar and cholesterol in the blood, stimulate the uterus and menstrual flow, and have antioxidant properties. In food and beverages, lemongrass is used as a flavoring. For example, lemongrass leaves are commonly used as lemon flavoring in herbal teas. In manufacturing, lemongrass is used as a fragrance in deodorants, soaps, and cosmetics. Lemongrass is also used in making vitamin A and natural citral. Now I'll discuss about uses and effectiveness lemongrass essential oil. Dandruff. Early research suggests that applying a lemongrass oil solution to the hair reduces dandruff in some people. Rheumatoid arthritis. Early research suggests that applying lemongrass oil to the skin can decrease pain in adults with RA, yeast infection in the mouth. Early research suggests that drinking lemongrass tea decreases symptoms of thrush in people with HIV/AIDS. People also use lemongrass for stomach and intestinal cramps, stomach ache, high blood pressure, convulsions, pain and swelling, vomiting, cough, ache joints, fever, common cold, diabetes, exhaustion, headache. Use as an antiseptic and astringent. Side effect of lemongrass oils. Lemongrass is likely safe for most people when used in food amounts. It is possibly safe when taken by mouth, applied to the skin, or inhaled as aromatherapy short term for a medicinal purpose. You can visit my blog to read more about self-care and beauty tips blog post, link in the description box, and also visit my Amazon store link in the description box.